Water heaters come in various sizes, measured in gallons, to match the hot water needs of a household. Having the right size ensures a consistent supply of hot water, especially during peak usage times. Larger tanks are best for households with high hot water demands. It's important to consider both current and future household size when selecting a water heater size. The time it takes for a water heater to recover and provide hot water again can vary depending on the type and size of the heater. Tankless water heaters offer hot water on demand, while sediment buildup in traditional tanks can slow down the recovery time. Regular maintenance is essential for efficiency, and flushing the tank annually can help remove sediment buildup. It's recommended to have professional plumbers handle maintenance tasks to ensure a steady hot water supply. Thermostats play a crucial role in regulating water temperature in water heaters. Setting the thermostat to 120 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for most households. Electric water heaters have dual thermostats, while gas heaters require correct settings for optimal performance. Regular checks on the thermostat functionality can help maintain efficiency. Issues with thermostats can lead to inconsistent water temperatures during showers, especially in electric heaters. Testing with a multimeter and replacing faulty thermostats can restore proper operation. Malfunctioning mixing valves can also result in hot water shortages during showers and need to be addressed promptly. Proper maintenance and attention to these factors can ensure a continuous supply of hot water in your home.